Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. This propane-fired pizza oven has a double-layered roof that retains heat and properly cooks the top of the pizza while the crust browns, allowing you to achieve brick oven results without using a brick oven. This quickly preheats, so you'll be ready to cook in about 15 minutes, and the 17,000 BTUs burner heats up quickly enough to cook a pizza in 8 minutes or less. Our tester baked 12-inch pizzas in less than 3 minutes. In fact, to avoid incinerating the pizza when opening a beverage, you may want to reduce the heat slightly from maximum. The built-in temperature gauge can be used to check the internal air temperature, and the ventilated door allows you to keep the hot air in or ventilate the oven if it becomes too hot. This type is portable, but at more than 50 pounds, it is not the lightest option. The exterior is made of stainless steel, which is easy to clean and does not rust. Our reviewer recommends turning it on for about 15 minutes after cooking to burn off any leftover flour or cheese, then scraping away the charred parts with a bench scraper. Number 2 in this best pizza oven list is Umikota Pizza Oven. With super high heat, the Umikota can cook pizza in 1 minute, allowing you to feed your family quickly. It's also great for searing steaks and chops, roasting vegetables, and a whole lot more. This oven is appealing because of its sleek design, lack of a chimney, and 3 legs that keep it stable on any surface. The body is made of powder-coated cold-rolled steel with stainless steel embellishments. With a weight of around 20 pounds, it was easy to transport for our tester. This Umi pizza oven can be used to roast meat, fish, and vegetables in addition to making pizzas. By simply turning a dial, Umikota can heat up in 15 minutes and cook 13-inch pizzas. The built-in gas ignition creates instant flames, and the heat-controlled dial can be adjusted for easy cooking. When it's time to store or travel, the legs fold down. For the best pizza crust, this comes with a stone baking board that can handle pizzas up to 13 inches in diameter. This model has a larger brother that can fit pizzas up to 16 inches in diameter and can be converted to run on natural gas if you need more space. Although it isn't completely weatherproof, our tester found it easy to clean and move out of the rain. For details, let's watch more. Our third pick is Rockbox Portable Wood and Gas Pizza Oven. This traditional pizza from Naples is the most authentic style of pizza out there. You'll be cooking like a pizzaiolo in no time with these easy-to-follow instructions and only 4 ingredients. In your Rockbox, it takes 60 seconds to cook. New York pizza is just as rich in history as its Neapolitan cousin, but it's cooked at a slightly lower temperature. A combination of flours, the addition of oil, and a longer bake produce a crispier finished pizza that is still chewy and flavorful. Rockbox is easy to transport and set up, with an inbuilt thermometer, retractable legs, and detachable dual-fuel burners. Simply turn on the switch and start cooking. Ooni Rockbox comes with a gas burner as standard and the option to purchase a detachable wood burner as an additional accessory, combining the convenience of gas with the tradition of wood fire. Rockbox is a family-friendly option thanks to its body insulation and outer silicone skin, which reduces the risk of skin burns associated with metal-bodied ovens. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best pizza oven list is Presto Pizazz Plus Rotating Oven. The quick and simple method for baking frozen, homemade, take and bake, and deli pizza. Also works well with frozen convenience foods like chicken nuggets, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, cinnamon rolls, cookies, and more. To ensure even baking, the rotating tray rotates continuously. Foods are baked on both sides using top and bottom heating elements. The heating elements are independently controlled, allowing you to choose between the top, bottom, or both for consistently perfect results. When the cooking timer beeps, the heating elements are automatically turned off. When compared to a conventional oven, you can save up to 60% on energy. The timer signals the end of the cooking time and turns off the heating elements automatically. When compared to a conventional oven, it can save up to 60% on energy. Foods are baked on both sides using top and bottom heating elements. The heating elements are independently controlled, allowing you to choose between the top, bottom, or both for consistently perfect results. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Caloric Redstone Pizza Oven. The built-in baking stone and dual heating elements ensure a crisp crust and perfectly melted finish every time. The adjustable temperature control allows you to try a variety of pizza types, from Chicago-style deep dish to classic crust. With a Caloric Red Hot Stone Pizza Oven, you can recreate the brick oven pizza experience right in your own kitchen. It creates the ideal environment for evenly cooking pizza on the top and bottom, which is impossible to achieve by simply throwing a pizza. The insert is made of stainless steel and has a double-walled roof to keep the heat in, as well as a thermometer on one corner for easy checking of the internal temperature. The pizza tray is removable and has a non-stick coating that makes cleanup a breeze. Pizzas up to 12 inches in diameter can be cooked on this.